You will not outperform the environment you keep choosing to work in because some of you are simply stuck because of the lack of talent. No, you're stuck because of the lack of your environment that keeps pulling you back to the average. Average conversations, average standards, average accountability, average expectations. And then you wonder why your results look average. Welcome to Elevate with Enbody. I'm your host, Tim Enbody. And if you are a loan officer or a realtor trying to grow, you need to understand something most people ignore. Your environment is either elevating you or limiting you. There is no neutral. The people around you are shaping how you think. The leadership around you is shaping what you believe is possible. The systems around you are shaping how you execute. The culture, I said it, around you is shaping your standards or lack thereof. And your standards are shaping your income. That's why the environment matters so much to me, because talent inside the wrong environment gets watered down, gets diluted. It doesn't taste good. Who wants to take their Diet Coke and put a half a gallon of water into it? Not me. Ambition inside the wrong environment gets mocked. Discipline inside the wrong environment gets lonely. And growth inside the wrong environment gets delayed. Some of you are trying to become that top 1%, and I applaud you. I really do, because it's not easy. And any of you that have gone through that stage to get there realize that the track up the mountainside is tough and dangerous. But to some of you that are actually trying to survive that and get there, I encourage you to keep going, because there's not a long line behind you, because there's more people okay staying average because there's a bigger pile in that area, and you can hide in average. That is a dangerous place to stay, though, because eventually average starts to feel normal. You stop pushing, you stop questioning, you stop stretching, you stop believing in yourself. You start saying things like, that's just how the market is. No, that is how your environment trains you to think. Top producers think differently. They ask better questions. They stay in bigger circles of people that attract and push and motivate. Motivation, I make fun of us sometimes because motivation is short-lived, but they seek it out through books, webinars, seminars, coaching platforms. They seek out higher level, higher knowledge from inside their circles and outside so they can move faster. They can track harder. They can build deeper relationships. They expect more from themselves, and they surround themselves with people who make average look uncomfortable. That's the standard I want to be in every day. That's the standard that you need to work in. So the people that are around you that are average feel awkward around you. So does your environment make you sharper, or does it simply allow you to make excuses to feel reasonable? Because if the people around you let you stay average, they're not protecting you. And this could come from somebody beneath or above. It can come from family and friends. That's costing you tens of thousands of dollars. Here is the move. I want you to audit your circle, your company, your leadership, your lack thereof, your daily conversations, the content you're consuming, your standards. Do you have any? Are you still hanging out with some of the people that are just whining, bitching, complaining? I'm telling you, that's bringing you down. Is it helping you grow? Needs to be the question. Become who I say I want to become. If the answer is no, stop pretending it's harmless, because the environment does compound, good or bad. If you want more conversations that challenge how loan officers and realtors think about their growth, subscribe below, because we're not building average here. Keep elevating your business and your brand.